Hey guys, I'm Bob and I'm out here in my workout area in my shed next to my home in northern New Hampshire. Recently I started getting back into doing deadlifts, which I hadn't done for many years due to the fact that I don't have a lot of room in this workout area, but I was able to move things around enough to be able to do deadlifts here. And what I found real fast was that my shins were scraping up from the bar when I would ascend with the bar during the deadlifts. So I started using, I have these, I had an elbow kind of a pad over the years and a knee pad over the years, so I use those on my legs. But then I started thinking there's got to be something out there on the internet that is specifically designed for deadlifts, or at least some type of shin guard. And I found these things called Grips Deadlift Shin Guards, or they call them Shin Guard Sleeves. I got them in this box. I've been using them for about a month, and I think they're perfect for what I needed to use them for. They have protected my shins. I haven't had any issues with my shins. I usually do deadlifts once a week, usually on a Saturday. So this has already been opened up. I've used them for a month. But let's take a closer look at them up on my workbench over here, so you can see exactly what's inside this box. Okay, so here's the box. It says Shin Guard Sleeves down here. I got a medium. There's a sizing chart on Amazon that you can follow to get the right size for yourself. There's a beargrips.com website you can go to directly if you'd like to. Actually, the sizing chart is on the back as well, but you need to know what to order. It depends on the size of your calves, and you can measure those with a some type of measuring tape. So anyway, let me open this up, and they come in a pair. We'll just take out one for now, and it looks just like this. There's a strap at the bottom, which I think is key, because it anchors to the bottom of your feet. The strap, which I think is a great addition. The front part is padded, and the back is just I think it's called neoprene. But there's 5 millimeters of neoprene in this cushioned area, which is the part that will hit the bar when you're doing the deadlifts. A lot of people use these type of shin guard sleeves for climbing ropes, for doing CrossFit. There's a lot of different applications, but I don't do any of that. I do deadlifts, and that's what I wanted them for, and they're working perfectly for me. Now, they advertise as having 5 millimeters of neoprene padding in here, which is more than their competitors. So I just looked for the best rated shin guard sleeves on Amazon, and this is what came up. I checked out some of the videos. I checked out some of the reviews, and they were all positive. So I bought black, and I think there's 2 colors, black and stealth black. Maybe there's other colors. I didn't really care what color they were, but black is fine for me. It just says Bear Grips on the back. So it's just a sleeve. Your foot will go down into it, and I'll give a demonstration of me putting them on as well as using them in a deadlift. So I don't think there's much else to look at. Obviously they came in a pair. Here's the other one. It's exactly the same. I don't think there's a left and a right. You can use them on either leg. So let me give a quick demo of how to put these things on, and then I'll give a quick demo of me doing a deadlift with lightweight, like 135 or a little bit more, just for demonstration purposes. So let's put these on and then do a demo. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just take off my sneakers. Okay, so those are off. Now I'm just going to take the sleeve, obviously have the cushioned area in the front, and just going to slide it. You know, if it was warm out, I wouldn't be wearing sweatpants, but I am today because it's like 24 degrees outside. It's 53 in here. So you just pull these up, and the strap at the bottom is what I really like, is because it anchors the sleeve onto your shins and your calves. So I'm going to do the same with the other one. These are perfect for what I needed them for. As I said, these are medium. You need to measure the size of your calf in your biggest area of your calf, and that's how the sizing chart works. For me, it was medium. I don't have mammoth calves like other people, but these are perfect for me. They don't slide down at all. And I'm just going to put on my shoes, my sneakers right after, as I do deadlifts with sneakers on. I know you don't have to see this, but anyway, let me finish putting on my sneakers and then we'll show you a quick demo of me doing deadlifts, and I'll show you how these Shin Guard sleeves work to protect my shins. Believe me, I was getting a lot of bruises, scrapes on my shins, and I said, there's got to be a better way. And I found it. Now, if I was going to gyms like I have in the past growing up, I might have seen other people wearing these, but I work out in my shed. Been doing this for the last 12 years since we've moved here up in northern New Hampshire. So anyway, let's get to the demo on how these save my shins during a deadlift. Okay, so hopefully you can see this okay. It looks good from where I'm standing. So I have like 155 on this bar just for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to lift. I am hitting my shins when I come up with the bar. So that's it. They saved my shins, and I'm happy with the purchase. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. I'll leave links in the description. And so I hope you enjoyed that. And I don't think you can go wrong with these Bear Grips Shin Guard Sleeves. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time.